Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Sierra Michelle TV. Subscribe and like, please. So before we even get into the vlog, if you're new here, my name is Sierra Michelle. I am a lifestyle content creator, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more bomb vlogs, very much so realistic vibes, and just an everyday regular girl vlogging her life. More vlogs like that. Hit the subscribe button. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna get dressed first and foremost because I still got the robe on. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and we're gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm in the kitchen cooking. Literally, I'm in the kitchen cooking. I feel like that was in the song. But yeah, I'm in the kitchen. I'm meal prepping, doing my little cooking thing. I filmed like 2 videos earlier today. It took me quite some time to do the hair and the makeup and to kind of like get my life together. My lower back has kind of been hurting a lot today because I'm on my cycle. When I'm on my cycle, I know it's kind of like TMI, but like we girls, so I'm gonna tell y'all the tea. I'm on my cycle, and when I'm on my cycle, my lower back hurts really, really bad. So today I just had to take more breaks and just try to lay down, try to like do upward dog, underdog, the little yoga pose, because my lower back has really been hurting. I'm really feeling better than I was earlier today. I kind of just, I don't know, I wasn't as goofy and as playful and as on point today because I just been in a little funk, but your girl is okay. I just had to like really just continue to be like reminded by just God, rejection can be redirection. I just keep telling myself that and just having a good day, making myself have a good day, a productive day. I'm not gonna lay in the bed. But yeah, let me show y'all my food. I've never made this before. I never knew. So I personally have never made this before, but I'm trying to make like a veggie stir fry. I feel like I want to chop some onions up in it. I think I'm gonna chop some onions up in it. And I'm watching a vlog by Armand, but I'm not really feeling it. So I know I used to watch her videos all the time, her and her sister, but for some reason I'm just not feeling it. I'm about to start watching Breaking Bad and finish that up because Breaking Bad has been really juicy. Walt has been off the chain lately, and hold on, somebody just texted me. So yeah, I'm gonna actually chop up some onions, and let me just start like getting into my meal prep. I'm down here. Just need 1 onion. Cause y'all know them stir fries be having onions, so it's only right if I try to make like a shrimp stir fry to have some onions. I'm so happy, y'all, because my food smells like it's supposed to smell. I've been trying new recipes lately, and they've all been good. So let me not toot my own horn, because when I did my baked macaroni and I did the caramel cake, I was tooting my horn, and then I couldn't like replicate that good result. So let me not speak too soonly, but your girl has been cooking good lately. And yeah, just trying to get a healthy relationship with food. I'm not liking how this light is looking right here. I look very much so This man tried me. Like, he said I looked like I was 33. I feel like, dang, I look like I'm 33. I'm 24. I need to like, I don't even know how to not look old. I feel like, I don't know. I don't feel like I look old, but I be getting that from people that I look old. I feel like it's the weight on me and the fact that I don't really be, I'm really like, I have like a mean exterior, but I'm really nice. I don't be all friendly to people I don't know. I just be observing. I just sit back and observe, you know, like Nikki said. But let me do these onions and I'll be right back because I don't want to be rambling. I got that real bad. I'll be rambling. Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. But seriously, so, whoa. Whew, child, I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm not tired because I got all my rest. And I chilled out for most of today, but I'm in my room. I have my salad, little Gatorade. I got my water by the bed. Why am I out of breath? My sister told me one day that I really talk quickly. So I've been trying to make it a point to talk and enunciate everything I'm saying, but I do be talking quickly because I don't know. But I'm in my room. I got my food. My dinner for tonight is this salad. Hopefully, I wish I had some fruit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I really want some more fruit pops. The mugs be so good. And they're low calories too, I believe so. And I really want that. But I got my Gatorade, I got my water, I got my salad. Hopefully, if my food finishes within the next hour and I'm still up, I hit that gym. Because that's the goal, is to hit the gym and to start the week off productive going into the weekend. And I didn't work out too much this week. I think I worked out once or twice, but I started working, so I didn't really have time. I wanted to be present at that, doing that job, and then I wanted to also just make sure I was trying to like better my YouTube. So, and your girl was on her cycle, so working out just did one day. I'm not too mad at myself because I lost weight and I stuck to a diet, and you know, I'm just making strides. I gotta reward myself for the good. Can't focus on the bad. I need a massage. I'm so freaking like, my body, these bones hurt. I'm kind of mad at myself because I was supposed to go to my pastor's like drive-through party today, and I forgot completely about it. I forgot about it. So much on my mind. But yeah, let me finish eating because I'm rambling. Let me finish eating. I'm gonna be watching Breaking Bad because it's getting good. I ain't gonna spoil it, but it's one of my favorite shows right now, and it has a lot of seasons. So I'm about to finish watching that and eating my food. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I'll be on there and I'll be interactive and I'm trying to build it up. Okay, cool. I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, so it's the next day. It's the next day. Oh, it's not even the next day, y'all. It's been a couple of days. This is gonna be a few days of my life type of vlog. And I just wanna come to y'all kind of like, you know, uncensored, just being raw and real. I'll be looking a hot mess throughout the week. Hair completely, humidity just made this hair afro up, even though I literally straightened it out, went outside, and within minutes my hair afroed up. So for the week I just let it do its thing. I don't want to put too much heat on it every day. It's a struggle dealing with natural hair and you don't know how to deal with it. Like, I've never had to deal with it before all my life. I've had perms and relaxers and texturizers and different weaves and stuff, and I've never had to actually deal with my natural hair that grows from my head. And it seems crazy to some people, but it's my reality. So yeah, this is how my hair looking. My house is a mess. I'm on my way to the gym. And I'm gonna try to, just walk and get on the bike and then do like a workout inside my apartment. And I guess I'll update you guys once I get to the gym and show you guys what I'm doing. Hey guys, so I'm at work working this security job. I'm trying to get it where my glasses are not like shining on the camera, but I need my glasses on. Sometimes I just be needing my glasses on so I can see in the distance. But I'm at work working this security job, and I won't tell you where, but I've been looking for a job like this, a job where I can just work and easily do different things like on my phone, on my computer, because y'all know I'm not really trying to work. I'm trying to pay my bills and at the same time work on my YouTube and my like music and stuff. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna make me like a to-do list. I'm gonna work on my my church's social media page because I do run their social media account. I'm gonna work on my personal like my Bible study page. I got a sisterhood Bible study page. I'm gonna work on that on Instagram. I'm gonna work on myself, and I'm gonna just try to pray. I'm trying to, like, I have so much time. I have all this time to work on myself, to get things done, to read my Bible, to read a book. So while I'm here, I'm gonna try to be more productive and at the same time make money. And I'm making overtime today because I'm working more, I'm working like a 12-hour shift. But let me let you guys go. So it's another day, and I am just going to start with my morning routine. I'm kind of a little stuffy, but yeah, let me just start with my face, wash my face. So if you are new to my channel and you haven't already checked out my skincare routine, check out my skincare routine to see everything that I use right now. It's drugstore, it's completely affordable, and also because I have like combination to oily skin and just scarring, acne prone, all that stuff, I think it might be a little helpful to you. So I usually do my skincare routine in the shower just because everything's ready. I'm already washing up, so I do my face first and things like that. I'm thinking about actually doing a shower routine because I see that trend going around, but it's kind of weird, I don't know how I would record that, like angles, what I would show, what I wouldn't show. Also, I'm trying to get back to using my hands with washing my face. I feel like that's just the easiest way I can get everything. I just want to touch everything, make sure everything's clean. Okay, so now that I finished washing my hair and kind of like drying it, I'm going to use my Olay moisturizer to moisturize my skin. And I'm needing to, since it's about to be fall, I really need to switch to something like this. Is kind of like an original cream on the light side, but I need something even more moisturizing because I get very ashy in the winter and the fall. So my moisturizer is a game changer. And just because you have oily skin doesn't mean you shouldn't moisturize. I believe that because I never believed in using a moisturizer, my skin was overactively like producing oil. So using a moisturizer, even if you have oily skin, is very imperative. I'm done with my skincare routine for the most part. So yeah, I have to work this afternoon. My schedule is like fluctuating from days to afternoons, and yeah, I have a job now. I'm not like ashamed to say like I haven't made it on YouTube. I have to pay my bills, and I want to continue to invest into YouTube, invest into more better equipment, invest into like just upgrading everything in my life. So it just made sense to find a job that's kind of perfect for me, where I can work and still be working on my YouTube. I can go to work and edit videos. I can go to work and brainstorm or whatever. So that is something that was important to me. So for the most part, the rest of the day, I'm probably gonna work out, start another vlog, meal prep, try to clean up, try to get organized, because when I get organized, I feel like I'm able to do more with my life, with myself, with my mind. Get organized, get ready for work, try to leave early enough to stop to get some braiding hair. And other than that, I really don't know what else I got to tell y'all. And as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, stay uplifted, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. You made it to the end of this video. That's what's up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and let's watch another video.